On the way to Belgium, I tried to find the blood moon by my side mirror because there's no blood moon in front. So for sure, it's behind us. There's the blood moon behind us, you see? We're driving on the way to Belgium. There's the blood moon behind us, you know. Look at the blood moon behind us. Yeah, we're driving here actually on the way.
Going the wrong way.
Yeah, wrong way because we're on the way to Antwerp. We're here. And the blood moon is there. Look. Wow. Oh, sayang. Pupunta kami dito ng blood moon. Nasa likod namin yung blood moon. Look. We're here in Antwerp.
Yeah, we'll wait. Turn to the right and then we'll turn to the right again and then you shoot right.
Yeah, we're now in Antwerp and we will see the blood moon maybe. We will check. Where is the blood moon? Oh, we couldn't see the
There it
blood
is.
moon. Where?
There.
Oh, there! Behind all the trees. Look, look. Oh, there's the blood moon. Ang
Now we'll
layo
be
niya.
having a nice look at it later.
Here, look. There's the blood moon. You can see there in the tree.
Yeah, here you will see that.
You can see it more better there here in the bridge. Yes. Where's the blood moon now? Wala na. Yeah, there's the
Jongen, a
blood
stupid building is in front of it.
Wala, di namin kita.
Oh, there it
Look,
is.
only half. Yeah, there. Yeah. You see, there's the blood moon. Look.
One eternity later.